the things that you've really spoken about there is sort of brought together almost in this one picture, looking at things around sort of the changing landscape, the threats and the vulnerabilities come in. We've spoken about AMLA from the left-hand side, these regulations that start coming in, and it's about taking a lot of the information and the data that we see, unifying that almost into risk intelligence, so that we can start applying it in the right ways across those different first line, second line, but also across the different functional components that actually operate. And these things become really important building blocks when we're talking about using AI. And I guess in the context of almost this infographic, SymphonyAI calls it the always on compliance, because it's about how are we always on, but how also do we integrate new innovations like what we're seeing with AI, whether they're predictive, whether they're machine learning, whether they're agentic and they're agents doing the work. These things all need to sort of flow together to create what we see as that future operating model. And I know there's a lot of institutions like, yourselves at Generali that are doing elements of this, maybe bringing all of these parts together. And that's what we, aim to see for what the future looks like. We're also working with a lot of different customers in this space to bring this to life as well. But Lee Meng, I really just wanted to touch out to you. Are you guys using AI in this context? Does these types of things sort of resonate with what you're doing there?
Yeah, we are not as advanced as what Martina have shared in generally. So, but still, I will echo. I mean, Martina has covered a lot. I'm just going to echo a few messages of hers. Like, we also see AI as an important enabler in strengthening strengthening our AML risk management, but it is also not a replacement for governance, judgment, or accountability. It is really there to augment human judgment. So, one key thing that resonate very clearly, very much with me is data quality and integrity. So AI models can be as reliable as whatever data that you feed them in. If in fact poor data quality can create a lot of noise or false sense of confidence, or they even sometimes amplify the risk rather than reducing it. That is why for us, what we have focused on in the past months or years is very much broader transformation programs, which includes a very strong focus on data governance and data certification. And this is also, I think, in insurance industry, that the data in all different markets, they are very much different. And for us to have clean or reliable data, this is multi-year of exercise. And ultimately, for us, the good AI deployment is not replacing expertise with automation, but it's really combining technology, data, human judgment in a very controlled and explainable way to strengthen our effectiveness at scale.